horizons and relativity fast don't go together too well. But I gotta do horizon. It's like a tradition now. Let's do it. All right, thank you.
All right, thank you.